Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see Cash App account number. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do is just to go to your account and then you will need just to go and get your account number. So basically, you will need just to click on the Money tab on your Cash App home screen and then you will need to tap on the routing and account number below your balance. So basically, this is the support Cash App, and here are these steps. So as we said, we need just to click on the account number, and basically your home screen would be something similar to this. And basically, you might be on other tabs. So make sure that you are on the Cash tab, and basically it is the first one. And all you need to do is just to go to your balance, and here you will find all these information or all these choices. And basically, by you will find add cash or cash out, and here you will find account and routing. So basically, by clicking on account and routing, you will be going to or they will redirect you where you can see all your accounts and routing, and from there you will be able to see your account number. And by seeing your account number, then you can start copying it or pasting it, depends on however you want to using it. And basically, that's it. And of course, you can do or you can also get your account details or numbers by just going also from your computer. So you will need just to log in into your account, and from here you will find bank, cash app, send, and saving, security, paycheck, etc. So you will need just to go to the money menu or to the money tab, and after that you will be able to get your account number. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.